Thank you very much. In my first lecture regarding the fraction, I have defined the certain terms in a warm-up section. For example, two terms I have defined. First term was one whole or single, and you can say that यहाँ पर item and object. This you can put like this, item. And second term I have defined the group of objects and item. So when we talk about groups, means it is more than one. But condition is that all the objects should be the same. And here, when I say one whole or single, means there is a single item which is going to be divided, and also it is equally divided, not unequal divided. So first I will tell you the meaning of how the single object can be equally divided and unequally divided. Here just say there are 5 single object item I have given. First I have given the rectangular, second is a circle, square, 6 sides and again rectangle. Just see here, it is the condition of the fraction that it should be equally divided of a single or whole. That means this is divided in 2 parts, this is also divided in 2 parts, but first part is smaller and second part is bigger. So it is unequal parts. Be careful because kids, they should be clearly shown with the example. Second is a circle, it is divided in equal parts, first and second part, but here it is unequal part. Similarly, here the square, it is divided in 4 equal parts, but here it is divided in unequal 3 parts. This is the 6 sides, don't take the name, but here it is equally divided, but here it is unequally divided. Again, here the rectangle is divided 5 parts, again it is unequal 5 parts. So it should be for the fraction of a single or whole items, it should be equally divided. So there is a single item, be careful, but when you go for a group of objects, then suppose it is a bag. And in a bag means region, group means more than one. Just here, it is a eggs. Just there are 6 equal eggs, because generally eggs are mostly it is equal. So the equal in size and one item. Then it is called group or collection or region. 3 words is used. Collection of eggs, region, this is the region. In a region, there is this much eggs and group. Similarly, this is the triangle. There are 5 triangles in a one block. There is a rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a one block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 circle in a one block, one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pencil in a block. But it should be equal size. Number here may be different. Here also number may be different, but it should be equal size. So now question is that how we are going to define the proper fraction. I am introducing proper fraction because the fraction which is introduced in the class 3 is a proper fraction only. There are so many fractions, 6 fractions, we will discuss in the higher classes. So let's see how we have defined the fraction. So once it is equally divided in 2 parts, and suppose you are just shading one part. So question is, what is the fraction of shaded part? So shaded part is 1, so in the numerator it will be 1 and denominator it will be 2. But here again 1 and 2 parts. So say that this is the first part is shaded. Here again it is 1 by 2. But for equally divided, be careful. Now here it is a 4 parts. So suppose you have just one is shaded. So shaded part is 1 by 4. Fraction of shaded part, I am just here writing shaded part. Shaded part. Very, very important. Here it is 6 items. Suppose here I am selling 2 parts. So it will be 2 by 6. And here it is 5 parts. Suppose I said 3 part is shaded. So it is going to be 3 by 5. Now this is above is numerator, and this is the denominator. Suppose again you want to define the fraction for a student to spend it. So in the denominator, it should be number of the parts an object is divided, and numerator is the part which is shaded. For example, shaded. In similar way, if you are just going to here, you want to define a fraction of a group, number of x are there. Suppose you want to distribute this number of x to one person, and suppose I say that you give 2x to a student. So just draw a line here, then the fraction becomes 2, because 2x are given 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 12 will be triangle. Suppose you want to give 3 triangle to a students. It will be 3 upon 5. Suppose here just again you want to give 2. This is shaded part. So again it will be 2 by 6. Here again, suppose you just 5 part. Yeah, 4 part. So it will be 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose you want to give 1 pencil. The meaning of whole thing is that in the numerator, the shaded part will be there, or the number of objects given to a particular children. And denominator is the number of a single part is divided into number of parts. Denominator. Here it is total number of objects in a group, a denominator. That is the basic difference between the, you can say, but for unequal parts, no fraction can be defined. So I am just writing a note here that note for unequal parts, equal part, no fraction can be defined. Fraction can be defined. Fine. I will just go for the next step. This is with example. In a fraction, some popular term is defined, which is also used in a duty-to activity, even by the students, because they are children but they are grown up and they are also going in a various party. So they should know what is the meaning of various terms. I will just take one thing. Various term in the same fraction, various term, popular term. अब देखिए, द मोस्ट पॉपुलर टर्म इन द डे टू डे एक्टिविटी इज 1/2. One half means 1/2. How it is read? 1 part of 2 equal parts. 2 equal part of an object or item. This is very important. And the figure you can take a circle, and this circle shape has many things. चपाती also होता है, हमारे यहाँ पूड़ी होता है, कचौड़ी होता है, many circle shape. So if you divide it into 2 equal parts, then this shaded part will be 1/2. See, and there is the 1/3. How to read it? 1 part of 3 equal part of an object or item. अब इसमें देखिए, ट्रायंगल सर्किल का भी आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. सर्किल का जैसे आप डिसाइड कर लीजिए यो, तो ये 1 पार्ट हो जाएगा. फिर ट्रायंगल में भी आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं, ये पार्ट 1, ये देखिए जब इसको हमने डिवाइड किया तो 2 पार्ट, 1 2 3 4 5 6, ये 6 पार्ट हो गया, जो है 6 पार्ट. बट 1/3 का मतलब यही होता है जो है. अब आइए 2/3. इसको लिखिए 2 part of 3 equal parts. Of an object. An item. अब इसी का ले लेते हैं, सर्किल का ले लेते हैं. सपोज इट इज सर्किल, ये 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड हुआ है, तो आपका ये 2 पार्ट, 2/3 ये हो जाएगा जो है. 3/4. It is 3 part of 4 equal part of an object. अब इसका देखिए, सर्किल ले लीजिए, 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दीजिए इक्वल पार्ट में, और जो इसका 3 इक्वल पार्ट होगा वो ये हो जाएगा. अब देखिए, these are the very important part, and if you just see in all this case, so in proper fraction, all are proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, इसको आप लोग देख लीजिएगा जो है. दिस शुड बी रिमेंबर बाय ईच एंड एवरी वन. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दिस आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू एग्जाम्पल्स. Some examples. Examples. Find out the value of following. First, A. I have already mentioned that the multiplication is also denoted by of, times and into. So of means always multiplication. So suppose someone says that 1/4 of 36. ध्यान देगा, इसमें फ्रैक्शन भी यूज हुआ है और ग्रुप भी यूज हुआ है. 36 इज ए ग्रुप और सपोज देयर आर 36 मैंगो, तो इट इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ मैंगो 36. और कहा जाए कि 36 मैंगो में से 1/4 मैंगो मिस्टर राम को दे दिया जाए, तो कैसे निकालेंगे? वो कम होगा. तो 1/4 का मतलब होता है दिस इज इक्वल टू 1/4 into 36. Or as I mentioned that the student should remember the table from 1 to 0 to 10. So 4 1 जा 4, अब 4 9 जा 36. So 9. That means 9 mango should be given to the Mr. Ram. अब देखिए, अब इसको जैसे और भी लिख सकते हैं सिंपल वे में. 1/1 is equal to 1, 9 and 9 1 जा 9. थोड़ा डिटेल में मैं बता दिया जो है. अब मैं क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं जो लड़कों को करने के लिए. ये मान के चलिए कि 36 ग्रुप है और ये 36 ग्रुप मतलब कि 36 मैंगो है, क्योंकि ग्रुप का मतलब मैंगोज, ग्रुप का मतलब कि there can be same number, same thing, same item. I am giving the another question. I am giving for practice. 1/3 of 18. You can assume 18 can be any item. 1/2 of 16. 3/4 of 16. 2/3 of 15 and 1/6 of 18. सपोज 18 मैंगो है और 1/6 मैंगो जो मिस्टर राम को देना है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? इसको मैं सॉल्व कर देता हूं. 1/6 into 18. 6 1 जा 6, 6 3 जा 3 मैंगो दिया जाएगा. अब इसमें देखिए आपका जो है, अब ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम कैसे किया जाता है इस चीज को ध्यान में रखिए. जो है वर्ड प्रॉब्लम का एग्जांपल मैं दे रहा हूं. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम ए. क्वेश्चन वन. कोमल ate 1/3 of 9 candies. find the number of candies Komal ate. अब मैं ये दिया कैंडीज हर घर में होता है, हर मदर पेरेंट्स फ्रिज में ला के रख देते हैं। अब पता चला कि एक लड़का जा करके उसमें से 1/3 खा लिया। 1/3 तो नहीं जानता है, लेकिन 1/3 खा लिया, बड़े लोगों को पता है। तो दूसरा लड़का बोलेगा कि बताओ कितना खाया, तो कैसे करेंगे? अब मैं शॉर्ट में लिख रहा हूँ, हिंट में दे रहा हूँ, 1/3 of 9 candies is equal to 1 3 into 9, 9 1 9। तो इसका मतलब 3 कैंडी जो चुरा के खा लिया है। अब देखिए, अब सेकंड देखिए क्वेश्चन, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम। क्वेश्चन 2, 1/3 of 3 balloon burst. Find the number of burst I think it is very simple. Question 3. Ramesh read one half of his 4 books. Find the number of books. Number of books he read. Thank you very much for this section, and I will do next time. Thank you very much.